Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we are at the Mississippi Gulf Coast here in Biloxi, Mississippi. And we are staying at the Gulf Beach RV Resort. And of course you may be wondering what's so special about this place? We are right across from the beach and the water.
Where else can you stay and have a Waffle House right next to the swimming pool? This is awesome.
So we're going to go on a little tour of the whole facilities here, and wow, what a place to come and visit. So let's get started.
To give you an idea of what some of these sites look like, this is site number 35. This site is 45 feet long. As you can see, it's nice, wide, paved. We'll walk up here and show you what it's got to offer. All of these sites have water, sewer hookup. They're going to have 50 amp, 30 amp, 20 amp. Gulf Beach here also offers free DirecTV and free Wi-Fi. They also have a dog park here, so if you like to travel with your furry friends, you will have a place for them to come. Well, we hope you have enjoyed looking at Gulf Beach RV Resort. We're here in Biloxi, Mississippi. We've had a wonderful time here, and we hope you have got a good idea of what the sites look like. Why don't you explain them just a little bit better?
There are a total of 65 sites here on this property, and you can go to their website, which is gulfbeachrvresort.com. There you can see all the amenities. You can see the actual websites. You can see the campsites and see the length on each one. Mm-hmm. And something that amazes me, there's 2 swimming pools.
2. And they each have their own pavilion. They have cornhole games.
Yes.
Out there. They are divided into 2 camping areas. One area does have a lot of pull-through sites.
Yes.
So if you are traveling in a larger Class A, that particular area would be excellent. It would be great for those. You can pull through and you can actually hook up from either side. So they are really, really nice. Some of the things in this area, if you're wondering, well, what on earth can you do in Biloxi? Obviously, there's a lot of public beach area. There's one right across the highway here in front of us. They have rentals, they have wave runners,
Kayaks.
I think they got paddle boards.
Yes.
Just several different things that you can do. And they have some umbrellas already set up on the beach. So if you want to go and just watch the water, it's great. Also, the Mississippi Aquarium is here. It's open and it's fairly new, only 2 or 3 years old. And
We got to tour that today.
It is a great thing to go in and see. If you like minor league baseball, if you're here during the baseball season, you can catch the Biloxi Shuckers. If you like historical sites, the Jefferson Davis Presidential Library is here. Actually, I think it's within walking distance.
It's not very far.
It's not very far. There's little shopping areas, little souvenir stores. If you want to take an excursion, you can do a ship island excursion.
Yes.
It's not far from here. So there are just tons of things to do here, and this is a really, really great location.
And if not, just get on the beach and relax.
Yes.
That's the main thing. So we hope you enjoyed everything, and just remember, if you like our channel, just subscribe. And hey, thanks everybody.